Hey everyone, welcome back to Beyond the Known. Ever wondered what would happen if Earth's atmosphere was made of helium instead of oxygen? Well, today we're diving into a world where your breath, your voice, and even your body would behave completely differently. Let's explore this mind-boggling scenario. First off, let's talk about the most obvious change: breathing. Oxygen makes up about 21% of Earth's atmosphere, and it's what allows us to survive. But helium? It doesn't help our cells get the oxygen they need. Without oxygen, humans couldn't survive. Plain and simple. But let's imagine this is still possible, maybe through some futuristic tech that replaces the oxygen we need. Still, how would it feel to breathe helium? Well, helium's most famous for making your voice sound high-pitched. So imagine, everyone's voice constantly sounding like they just inhaled a tank of helium. Your deep and serious conversation? Yeah. It would sound more like a cartoon character on a sugar rush. But what about gravity? Helium is lighter than air, so with a helium-rich atmosphere, we'd experience much less buoyancy in the air. You'd see objects that normally drop to the ground float. Imagine trying to throw a ball, or even walking outside without being carried away by the wind. The lighter atmosphere would make everything feel almost weightless. Without oxygen, our cells wouldn't get the energy they need, and we'd likely collapse from lack of energy. But let's say somehow our bodies adapt. Would we be able to function normally with just helium? Possibly, but we'd have to find a way to solve a massive biological problem. And here's the wildest part. Earth's entire climate would be dramatically different. With helium instead of oxygen, the atmosphere wouldn't be able to trap heat the same way. Temperatures could drop drastically, and weather patterns would change. Hurricanes, tornadoes, and even the water cycle would behave in ways we can't imagine. So, would humanity be able to survive on a helium-based Earth? Not unless we had some serious scientific advances in oxygen production. The challenges would be massive. But even then, it would be one of the most bizarre and exciting worlds to live in. Now, I want to hear from you. What would you do if we lived on a helium planet? How would you survive? Let me know in the comments below. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more mind-blowing scenarios here at Beyond the Known.